Hello everybody, welcome back to Hike. My name is Pranjal Jain and today we will solve the question first missing positive. We will first of all try to understand the question, then we'll try to understand the approach to solve it, and finally we will code it in. So look at the entire video, watch the entire video end to end so that you can completely understand what we are trying to explain here. Alright, so let's get started. First missing positive, given an unsorted integer array nums, return the smallest positive integer that is not present in nums. You must implement an algorithm that runs in O of n time and uses O of 1 auxiliary space. Let's take one of the examples. Let's take this array as the example and try to understand the logic behind the code that we are going to write. So 3, 4, minus 1 and 1. The easiest way to solve this question is to sort the array, but that would require O of n log n time, and that is not given. We are going to solve it in O of n time and O of 1 auxiliary space. Okay. So look at the approach very carefully. I'm going to show you how we are going to solve it. So we are going to iterate through the array. The numbers that should be present, it's an array of size 4. The numbers should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the numbers that we are looking for. So what we are going to do is, we have a 3 over here. So we're going to swap it with the number that is on the third position. So I'll write the positions. These are not indices. These are positions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll swap it with the number on the third position. So let's swap this. So this becomes -1, 4, 3, 1. Now, -1 is not in the range that we're looking for. It is not between 1 and 4. So we move ahead. 4. Now we swap it with the number that is on the fourth index. So now this becomes -1, 1, 3, 4. We have swapped these two numbers now. Now we get to 1. So we'll swap it with the number at index 1, at position 1. Sorry. So we're going to swap this and this number. So it's 1, -1, 3, and 4. Now -1 is not in the range that we are looking for. We move forward. 3 is at the right position. It is already at position 3. 4 is also at the right position. It is at position 4. And we come out of the array. Now this is the array that we have left. Now once again we iterate the array. In the first position we're looking for 1 and we have found a 1. In the second position we were looking for a 2, but it's -1. So 2 is the missing positive integer in the array. Okay. So let's try to code this now. Look at it very carefully. So first of all, we will calculate the value of a variable n. This will tell us which numbers we are looking for. We are looking for numbers from 1 through n. Now we will iterate through the vector. And if the number that we're looking for is inside the range that we're looking for, if nums of I is greater than 0 and nums of I is less than equal to n, so this is the range we're looking for. If the number lies in this range, we have to take this number to the correct position. We'll calculate the variable position a of I, but nums of I -1, and if nums of position is not equal to nums of I. If this is not the case, if the number is not already at the correct location, we will swap the two values. Now we have taken this particular number to its correct position. But now there is a new number at the ith location. And because of this for loop, I will move forward and this incorrect number will stay there. So we have to do a I minus minus after this. All right, the for loop is over. After this, we have all the numbers at their correct location. So we'll run another for loop. So at the 0th index, we should find a 1. At the first index, we should find a 2, and so on. So if that doesn't happen, if nums of I is not equal to I plus 1, what do? We can simply return I plus 1 here. But if we have all the numbers in the array, let's say the array is of size 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 is the first missing integer. So in that case, we will return n plus 1. Let's try to run this code. So you can see all the visible test cases have passed. Let's submit this. And all our test cases have passed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.